In this paid to play review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can actually get paid for anything you do on the internet and how you can get instant real leads for any niche. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out paid to play, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says get paid for anything you do on the internet and get instant real-time leads for any niche. I'm exposing a method that everyone else would keep to themselves, two insane methods that would combine get you money for nothing and more real-time leads than any other source ever would here. You can see actual real money here, pending payouts that he has here, money that he's made from this, real leads that he's extracted here, thousands of leads here, and essentially what he's doing in this. It's not really revealing it on the sales page here, is he's using a special search engine that's actually paying him in cryptocurrency every time he uses it, because the way that it works is they show him ads and he gets paid every time they do that. Now, this cryptocurrency, it might not be the most, like you're getting Bitcoin with it right now. It's not like you're going to be making thousands of dollars overnight, but it's a way that you can monetize something that you're already doing and be able to take that and get paid for that action that you're doing anyway. So it's kind of a cool little thing for anyone looking to make a little bit extra money on the side here. Now, I'm going to go over it now and take you over into the backend area here. So the backend area, it's actually a PDF, but it has videos included as well, walking you through the entire system, walking you through and showing you exactly how the entire system works, showing you a browser here called the Brave browser that you use with this, and that's how the whole thing works here. And they teach you exactly how to set up everything, exactly how to get paid with it, how to make it so that you're going with it. So don't just think, oh, I know what browser it is, I don't need this now. If you're interested in this, you need to know how to set everything up so that you get paid as well. There's also a way of getting leads with this. They're going to teach you how to do that as well inside of the system. Now, there are multiple different OTOs with this. The first one, they've got an upgrade here for $29, just an extra upgrade, extra training with this so you can make more money with it. Another one here says no need for a website, 300 done for you emails and your very own product that you could sell. The next one here, under $100 turned into 100,000, all the crypto you can stand, and how to make your own lead generation business. So this is another method here. James is always really good at finding methods that are recently coming out or going to be really hot. He recommended that people buy Dogecoin years ago before it became the hottest thing right now. He has a private group here for $1 that you can join and join his group. Another one here, you can sell this over and over again and get 100% lifetime commissions for it. So that's 97 in there. And the last one is you can join, I believe this is like a coaching program of his. It's more expensive, but of course you get a lot more out of it. So all these different OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about paid to play and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I guess the fact is you're not going to get rich doing this. You never know what these cryptocurrencies are going to be, what they're going to be worth in the future. You might be surfing the internet right now and using the system and getting paid pennies, or you never know, it might be worth more in the future. What do I like about this? Like I said, you never know. Maybe what you're doing right now, it might be worth a few cents that you're making every day from doing it now, but maybe that coin goes up and in the future, those few cents turns into thousands of dollars. So you really never know what's going to happen with cryptocurrency. It's a wild west right now. If you'd like to get paid for something that you already do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at paid to play, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.